Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush to Discover Boss, and welcome to Rush Raymore Reviews. So we're here with another video. I'll soon tell you where we are, but before, please just pause the video, leave a like, press that like button, share the video to a friend, and subscribe if you haven't yet done so. We're trying to reach to 6,000 subscribers as quickly as possible. So with your subscription, I'm sure that we'll be closer to that mark. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, guys, so we can get better equipment and a drone as well. A lot of persons have been requesting drone videos. We're working on it for you guys, but your donation will make that a reality much faster. So we're in Maypen. We're taking a look at the South Coast Highway extension from Maypen, from out Glenmere Road, going straight back to Williamsfield. That's the leg we're now investigating. It's not a lot of visual work as yet, or visible work, because they're in the, what would you say now, they're in the woodland right now. Most of the excavation, most of the work is happening in the bushes, so you can hardly see. So without a drone you won't be able to see much. But what I'm going to show you guys is where it's going to continue from, right out at Glenmere Road, and then I go on Foga Road where some work is visible. So that's what we're going to take a look on today, guys. Alright, so this is the roundabout right at the where the current leg ends. I'll show you guys a better view soon. And you probably even see a highway patrol car giving some tickets. So once you're coming off the highway, guys, the final leg at Mineralized, be careful because police is always at the end. But this is where the highway is going to continue from, straight to Williamsfield. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts, and let me know what you think so far. Not much visible work, but work is happening in the bushes. Alright, so that sign says Woodley Sports Complex. They have go-kart and also I think a shooting range is around there. So I know at least one person watching this video, one viewer, one subscriber may have gone to Woodley for shooting practice, shooting range. So this is the end of the current highway, the current final Maypen leg. And then the Williamsfield leg will continue from here. That is a quarry. I'm not sure if it's still active. So the police stopped a few cars there coming off the highway. So you really have to watch the speed limit. Alright guys, so what we'll be doing is to be driving from Glenmere Road to Foga Road. So just bringing you guys along with me. So this is a little bit outside of Glenmere Road. So this is the start of the Maypen bypass. As you see the sign, it leads to Osborne Store, it leads to Mandeville. So this right turn would be the entrance to Glenmere Road, which brings you into Maypen. Alright, so this is the Maypen bypass. It brings you down to Tollgate, down to Osborne Store, 4-pass. So this is bypassing Maypen and Denby. So we're heading on to Foga Road. Alright guys, so we're entering Foga Road. This is also where you drive to Milk River, to Vernon Field. Alright, so I think this area will give us a good chance to see a little bit of the work on the highway. So I'm gonna park and then just try to get a few shots in with you guys, or for you guys. So as I said, most of the work is happening in the bushes, so it's not very visible. And what they had to do is to buy some of the houses that was in the path of the highway. They purchased a few of the houses on Foga Road to be able to run the highway through here. So not much to see guys, but just gonna show you a little bit of what's happening, because it's hard to see the road, the highway, you know, based on the fact that it's way in the bushes. So I think they'll build a bridge right here for the highway to go over the roadway. So probably they'll build a bridge. That's what I'm thinking.